Hi friends, do you have 10 minutes? If so, grab a glass cleaner of your choice, grab some paper towels or something that you want to use to wipe said glass cleaner off, and let's spend 10 minutes cleaning glass surfaces in our homes today.
Shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoe.
So I did set the timer on my phone for 10 minutes because honestly, I have very limited time. I am getting ready to go out to dinner with a girlfriend, hence the blue dress, which kind of, now that I am watching it back, makes me look like I have on like some kind of Alice from the Brady Bunch uniform type situation, but that is not the case. I'm actually getting ready to go out to dinner with a girlfriend. But my focus on doing 10 with Jen is to demonstrate how we can take just a little bit of time and make a big impact. Meaning we all have these tasks and we all have these things that we need to do, and sometimes we're waiting to have this big chunk of time that we can complete the whole task or do like this thorough job. For me, it's being a perfectionist about it, spending the full 10 minutes on like one side of the shower. So with this series, I really want to show you that you can accomplish a lot in just a short amount of time. And I use the timer a lot of times just so I know that I am staying within that 10 minutes. I do put the timer on pause when I move my tripod, just because I don't really think that shows an indication of what you can really do in 10 minutes if I am like moving all of my stuff around, and I don't really feel like you want to watch me move all of my stuff around. And as I am doing this voiceover, I am looking and I'm like, okay, I do not like to clean glass surfaces. It gets put off on my to-do list each and every week. Do I want to watch it in real time? But for now, with this 10 with Jen, I do want to keep it in real time because I want you to have the ability to set this 10 minutes aside, use this video as your timer and clean along with me, whether you're cleaning a window in your home or whatever you happen to be cleaning. I want you to be able to have that 10 minutes of cleaning time. So in order for me to do that, I have to leave it in real time. I might get creative in the future. I almost feel like starting this series is like starting my YouTube channel all over again, and then one day I'm going to look back at these videos and I'm going to feel cringe like I do when I look back at some of my other videos. But I am doing this because A, I need it, because I tend to focus on perfection. So I wait until I have a ton of time to do a task, and then I want it to be perfect. And sometimes waiting on that time, I tend to procrastinate, and then it spirals and it causes anxiety. And I know that so many of us, we are parents, we have children, small children at home, we have full-time jobs, maybe we have a chronic illness like I do, but we all have something that we just do not have an unlimited amount of time. So I want you guys to see what you can do in a short amount of time, and over time this adds up, and it's just about making a little progress, because we all have a few minutes here and there that we can spare. And so I just want to show you, okay, you've got that few minutes, you can knock out something on your to-do list. Maybe not the whole entire thing, because I know on my to-do list I have to clean all the glass surfaces in my home. That doesn't include windows. That's just like the shower door, mirrors, that kind of thing. I'm not going to be able to do all that in this particular session, and I realize that, but I know that I can make some progress, and when I get back from dinner with my girlfriend, I can finish the rest of the glass surfaces, and then I can go ahead and I can check that off of my list.
Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond dawn. A bigger scale, the world in hands as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel.
I am cleaning these bathroom mirrors. I need to tell you what products I am choosing to use today. I am using the Spray Away glass cleaner. Guys, I do not like the smell of it. It is so strong, but the person who came to put in all of our glass shower things told me it was the best to use, so I use it. When I am not recording, I put on a mask when I use it because I just do not like the strong smell. If I were not doing this as a 10 with Jen, I would already not using it. I would just use it for the showers. By the way, I'm in my bedroom now. I am doing this nightstand. I'm thinking about removing this glass, to be honest. I'm kind of over it. Anyway, back to the products I am using. So I used the Spray Away, and I used paper towels just because I did not want any lint, and I feel like it's just giving me, especially in the shower, a more streak-free clean. Then I used this e-cloth. It's just a polishing glass cloth after I did all of that. Now I'm just like cleaning the glass with the e-cloth because I am almost finished. The 10 minutes is almost up. And that's just what I am using. Oh, and in the shower, I did use a squeegee to get off excess. So those are what I'm using. Again, the Spray Away is supposed to be like the best of the best. Everybody raves about what a wonderful job it does. However, in my personal opinion, it smells too strong.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors, lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze.
I am always shocked by just how much you can accomplish in just 10 minutes. I did manage to clean the glass surfaces in my primary shower, clean a couple of mirrors in my primary bath, clean a couple of mirrors and a couple of tables in my primary bedroom. Did I get all the glass surfaces in my home cleaned in 10 minutes? Absolutely not. Did I do a thorough job of the glass surfaces that I did clean? Not really. I did a decent job. I think that it is realistic that we can take a short amount of time and make some progress. And it's not so realistic for all of us to have a whole day to take everything out of a room, clean the room, put everything back in. That's just not realistic for most of us. And so this provides a good alternative for that. So yeah, you can spend 10 minutes and you can put a little dent in your to-do list. Do I do deep cleaning videos where I spend all day? Absolutely. But sometimes I just do not have all day to spend. I hope you guys got some motivation and some inspiration and maybe cleaned some glass surfaces in your home along with me, even if it was just one thing. Maybe it was a window. But remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye.